Hello everyone, it's your girl Gaonou here. Look at my new bucket hat. How freaking cute. It is from the brand Coach. I thrifted on the Threaded website. It is brand new. I love how it's tweed, how it's neutral. Literally obsessed with it, and I wanted to wear it for today's video because I just loved how cute it was. So yeah. For today's video, I'm going to be doing an honest review of a luxury sports brand, luggage brand called Caraa. They sent over 2 of their products for me to try out, and it was like at the perfect time because I was about to go on a road trip for my graduation in Nebraska. So I was able to use these products during the road trip, and now I'm here to give you guys my honest review on whether I recommend their products, if it's worth the price, because they are a little pricey, if I'm being honest. So that's what today's video is about. So let's get right into it. So the first product is this travel kit. It is in the color Buttermilk. I love the color of this. It's not like too white. It's like that creamy kind of white, off-white kind of look, which I love. And the material is amazing. It literally feels like a cloud. That's why it's part of the cloud collection. And I just love how soft and squishy it is because I have some products that are like glass. So this kit like kept it safe. So for this bag, I mainly used it for skincare and makeup, and it fit everything because I don't carry too much, so it was more than enough for me. So it has like this cute little handle, and then at the front it has this zipper, which will open into like a whole section of where you can put your items. I put my skincare here, and then just like other stuff in this clear bag attached to inside. I love the idea. I feel like sometimes bags, they could have more storage areas within it, so I love that they did that with this bag. Instead of just leaving it as kind of like a poof, they kind of like put a zipper there where you can like put more stuff in there. So inside the bag, this is what it looks like. Super simple, super cute. I love this mesh area, so I would put my brushes here, and then on this side I would put like my makeup and everything. And it's actually a pretty decent size. You can fit a lot in here, which I love. And then on this side, if you flip it, you will see there's another zipper, and then just more stuff that you can put in there. One thing that I did not like about this bag was that when I had it open like this to grab all my makeup, if I had something on this side, I would have to flip it over and then flip the bag to open this if I didn't want like the things to fall out, you know. So I wish the zipper was on this side so that when I wanted to get something from this pocket, I can just flip it over, open it, and then grab it instead of having to like flip like the whole bag and everything. That was the only downfall in this bag, but overall an amazing bag. Can fit so much, and really good quality. Like I said before, it is quite pricey, but if you're looking for like a nice luxury, like casual kind of makeup skincare bag, this one is amazing. Next is the Caraa Studio bag. This is a medium, and you guys, I kid you not, the medium, it is so tiny. Like, I thought I could like just pack my clothes in here for like the weekend. No, it literally only like fit one outfit, one pair of shoes, and like my curling iron, and that was pretty much it. I don't know if I'm like the worst like packer in the world, but this was not big enough for my like 3 to 4 day trip to Nebraska. So that was like probably the only downfall about this bag, was that it was not big enough. But they do have a large one like this. This is a medium one, but it is pretty pricey. So if it is something that you want to invest in, you definitely can, because the quality is amazing. Like the fabric, the sturdiness, like this thing was lugged around for 3 to 4 days and it is still in amazing shape. So the cool thing about the studio bag is that it is a 2-in-1 bag. So it's a duffel bag and it's a backpack, which I think is so cool. I've never seen anything like this before. I think that's so clever because, you know, some people prefer duffel, some people prefer backpack. I prefer duffel, but my boyfriend prefers backpack, so super nice. And I love the beige color. You know how much I love my neutrals. So starting off with the duffel, it comes with this strap. It's adjustable, and the strap for like the shoulder is pretty thick, which I love, so that you know, the padding kind of helps with like the weight when you're carrying it on your trip and everything. And then for the handles, it's pretty sturdy. It can actually stand up by itself, which I love. It's pretty hard, and I love that they have this clip for the handles, so you can just clip it together and just hold it, and then you can just go. So let's take a look inside the bag. So this is what the inside of the bag looks like. There's a lot of like mesh details and pocket areas. So there's two on each, or there's one on each side, and then there's one here, and then there's this zipper clear area right here that you can put things in, and that's pretty much what the inside looks like. Like I said, you can't fit much in here, but if you're going on a day trip, this is like perfect for you. Or if you just need like a simple carry-on bag just for the plane, this is also pretty amazing. I also forgot to mention that the straps for the duffel is clippable. Is that a word? You can clip it out. Yeah, you can clip it on or clip it off, so that's really nice. So that is pretty much the duffel bag, and now onto the backpack. So if you wear it as a backpack, this is what it looks like. The straps are right here, thick padded straps, which we love. The straps can be clipped on or off, and then there are side pockets on each side. I feel like the more pockets you have, like the better, because you can fit more things in there, or try to. And then now I'm gonna open the backpack and show you guys. So here's the inside of the backpack. So as you can see, there's this area right here where you can put like your laptop, paperwork and stuff. It also clips, so it can hold your back items nicely. Let's see if I can do it. There we go. And then there's just this zipper pocket right here. And then on this side, we have more mesh pockets for like your water bottles. And that's pretty much it. The backpack actually goes pretty deep. The bag also came with these black bags, which this one is for your shoes, which I love, so that your shoes don't get dirty. And then this one is for your wet clothes, which I used for like my dirty laundry and everything when we were traveling. So that is pretty much the bags that I got from Caraa. The travel kit I love, except for this part. I would actually recommend this one. However, for the studio bag, even though I really liked it, like, I don't know if I would recommend it. It's just something that I just did not love too much because it wasn't big enough, but I'm assuming if you get the large that it would be a lot better. I do like the style of it. It's very chic and everything. It does go with like my outfits and everything, which I love to do with like my travel equipment, just like, you know, have everything match. These products are pretty pricey, so is it worth it? I don't think so. Are they nice? Yes, it's a luxury brand. So if you do have the money and you want to buy something of luxury when you're traveling and you want something of good quality, I would recommend this brand. But if you're just looking for something inexpensive that would just get you through your trip, I don't think you should spend the money. I believe this is like $200-300, so it's really pricey for like such a tiny bag. That's pretty much my review of these bags. Thank you so much to Caraa for sending me these products. If you want to buy these products, I'll have the link down below just in case you're interested. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I love you guys so much. I'll see you next time. Bye.